Hello, this is Sani Ali Khan for you, and here I am talking about the career orientation program. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls who are watching this video, and please watch carefully what I am telling you all. Actually, what happened in the school days, we are doing some jokes we are just completing the course like 10th 12th graduation, after that PG post graduation, but we are not focusing on our career. But I am just going to tell you, please be focused to your career from the 8th classes, because when you are in 8th class, you are able to do anything, okay, because it's your age up to 12 to 13 years. And now you can see in India also, as well as in the world, many boys and girls who has just attained the age of 12, they are just innovating lots of ideas regarding to their careers. And you can also, because if you want to do, you can do, but if you are not willingly to do, then you can't till the age of 30th also, because uh, everything depends on your will. Here, as I am discussing about the career, and here you can see the in career orientation program, you can see number of careers 320 careers I am talking about in this video. But some of them are in details like marketing, as we have completed our students from class 6 to 8, and they have completed marketing in this age. And you can imagine how they are just growing, in which environment. Students are not just doing like completing marketing, like you have to just go to the shop and you have to just give pamphlet. This is a single phase marketing, this is a very easy phase. But our students, what they are doing, they are just convincing every parents. They have just gone to the shop and they convince the parents as well. And in what ways they are convincing, even if you are attending the 25 years, then you cannot convince that at that type, okay. So here the marketing project is just going on with our students, as well as housekeeping projects. So what's that? uh, in this picture you can see two boys are just washing the clothes. And washing the clothes is not like you have to wash clothes. If you are washing the clothes, you have to just be careful with the clothes, mean to say that which type of clothes you are washing. Then at that times, which button you can switch it on, and which button you can switch it on, switch can't switch it on, okay. So here you also can tell that sweepermen also sweep the ground and they are also sweeping, but it's not a sweeperman like that structure here. The boys are just doing in proper way. The angle, you can see the two boys in the picture, the angle between them, how they are doing, how they are just communicating each other, how they are just collaborating each other, okay. And in next slide, you can see IIT Medical. These two, IIT Medical and UPSC, these three are the, you can say, backbone of our country especially. And what is IIT? You can also aware about that. IIT is an engineering courses, and it is the uh, biggest university in our country, in Indian Institute of Technology, as well as medical. When you are talking about the medical, then medical you can say AIMS is the biggest institute in our country. And apart from these two, we can say UPSC, which is the backbone of our world. Not it's the toughest examination for India only, it's the toughest examination in the world according to your whole mind. It's just igniting your mind. And these are the foundation classes which are giving from the sixth classes here. I am not talking about I am just giving the products of UPSC and IIT, but I am just initiating them. They have to learn many more, but I am just initiating from here. And as you see in the picture, hospitality is a big industry nowadays. Even if you have completed UPSCs, then you then you get the salary like 1 lakh to 2 lakhs, but maximum. But in hospitality, there are number of jobs like which offer you 5 lakhs per month. Oh my God. And here you can see the technical skills development. Mean to say that if you are just teaching students, and if you are only just teaching students in the with the syllabus wise, these are not the these are not the basic formula for just nurturing the students. If you are nurturing in a better way, then you can carry with them with technical issues, technical skills. You have to just put it in them, okay? And basic computer skills, they all have to know: graphic designing, digital marketing, coding, and computer languages. Artificial intelligence is one of them. Acting and dancing is very big industry. We cannot tell here that we are just making the actors and dancers, but we can initiate from here, and they can grow in better way. And as you know, I have a student here, Ishan Priyadarshi, who has got certificate in digital marketing from Google DU. Okay, it's not the simple certificate. It's the, you can say that, number of students from BCA who has completed BCA, they got such type of tremendous things, tremendous such certificate, tremendous achievements. But now we have only seventh class students because he has ignited mind. And you can see here hotel management, you can our students are learning number of dishes, how they prepared in the kitchen room, or they also travel in the hotels also, and number of factories even, and many more industries in this video I am telling. But we have less time, so we will discuss number of more careers in later video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you soon guys.